ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Myntri ke Tnat Social Welfare ke Sarkar Jilla uba Kermen Shilla ula penpau ya ke jing Sngewkhia halor ke jing nia dan bentan jong ki Khynnah red ha ke jing penpthai bom IED badangshan ha ke janmet sngi ublai jong ke lai photarik ubanai kela lingkot arajar arpuar ha donut ke sor Shillong ha ke jing ekren mat kilat pathai khubor uba Shilla ula ong bakalong ka ei ke bas ngosi iban yoi ya ki Khynnah red Pynrung shaka jilli jong ki seng le no bat ban le ya ki kampentriam hapo ke imlang ka salang haga jo ka por ula ong ru baka Tnat Social Welfare kan sawat ya ka daw ba balai ki samla ki badang khe dangsan ki sha pengom hakum kini ki kam runar bat bandon bentaru bat ki sengking atiar.
I believe it to the wisdom of our chief minister and then our HM. So I believe that they will have a best solution for this. So because most of the time we used to have a meeting from time to time. So even now also they are having a meeting. So I believe that they will find a solution the best for the peace of our state. So I leave it with that wisdom. Yeah, actually, from the government, what I have seen, we have tried all the possibilities, ways and means that how to protect our youth and then our citizens, and by giving them whatever we can. But at the end, we should not blame only the government also that, oh, I didn't get a job because the government didn't give me, or I didn't get this, I didn't get that because the government can provide. The government is there to protect you in a way that to show you what can be done, not 100% to provide or spin food. So we should not expect 100% everything from the government. So, but the government are there to guide and to help when they are in needs. So at the end, we have to stand on our feet that what I want to be, I should do it, and then I should stand for that and then fight for that. So not by blaming each other. So at the end, whichever the government will come also, at the end, when there's nothing to give, what to give? When you have, then why do you not give it? I don't know if that person he himself claimed, then of course, but that is not good ideas. I would like to I would like to inform, means they can take it whatever they feel it, but this is not the right way to approach and then take the minors. They should not take the minors. And even the elders also, why do they want the elders to join them? If they have any grievances, then yes, show us what is their things, what do they need, what is the solution. Give us so that we will try to find ways, not by recruiting, because at the end, those members, their members, they have to hide in the bush and all. So many things, means a lot of difficulties they have to face. So this is not the way we want to live our life. We want to live our life in a happy way. So I believe this is not right. At a very young age, he himself has to be, join this militant. So actually, I don't know whether he didn't get a proper, from family or what exactly is going on with him, nobody knows. So maybe he has faced a lot of problems in his life that he has to join, but that is not a solution. Actually, if that by joining into a militancy is a solution, by now everyone will be joining. But I believe that whatever grievances he has gone through in his life, he should have come seek for help especially from his family members first, and then let them guide him in a proper way, and then so that they can solve his problem. It's not that by joining any kind of a militancy group so that he can take revenge of what happened to his life. So, but still, I believe that the time will come that he will realize that what has been going on, that is not a solution, and then he should come seek for a proper ways how to solve his problem. And I believe that even from the government side and we, the society where we all live, that we are ready to help each other. We don't want to see our children are joining to any kind of militancy where at the end it ends up to be destroy each other. So whom he feel that by joining that he might think or he might take us as his enemy. So we are not his enemies. we are his friends, and the only thing is that his lack of communication and lack of approachment, he should have come and approach and then seek for help, and then I believe that as a friend, all of us, we are ready to help.